Welcome po sa may cafeteria, coffee corner ng kiosk ng Ramadan Daddies. Ngayon po ay pang ilang araw na tayo ng Ramadan?
Kasalukuyang
22nd, 23rd na ng Ramadan, 1446 March.
46.
Yeah, March 11, 2026. Ayan po. Meron tayo ditong black coffee with sugar, black tea with clove, at saka ito, ayan. Maraming mga varieties ng tsaa. May brown sugar, may creamer. Ayan, hot water, isang thermos. Black coffee, 3 in 1.
May
At saka
lemon and
sugar.
ginger, may pampupupo dito.
Brown sugar.
At anong bay leaves? Mali lang po yung label. The labeling is just wrong, but this one is clove.
Pampakuanan kasi namin pampakuanan ko ba, i-birthday ko para makabawas ako. Kasi ako mukha